Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to display side icons in DuckDuckGo homepage on an Android device. Okay, knowing how to display side icons in this application can enhance your browsing experience by providing visual cues and easy access to your favorite websites. Side icons, also known as favicon, help you quickly identify and navigate to specific websites, making it more convenient for access your frequently visited sites. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open the DuckDuckGo app on your device. Okay, so now you can open any website. After that, look for this icon and tap on it. Well, and then turn this toggle on. Okay, so now the side icon is successfully appear. Well, that's the tutorial on how to display side icons in the DuckDuckGo homepage on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.